Bite me. Me too. Please.
As you wish.
Wow. I'm gonna need some refreshments. Out of the way. So, how about that kiss, handsome? Ew.
Huh? He's turning them all into beautiful vampires. That's my dream. Hey, can you give me a kiss too?
Ew. What a loser. How embarrassing.
Watch this. Let's get your seaweed out of the way.
Oh, yes. What the heck?
You'll never be like us.
You guys are so mean. Why do they hate me? Is it because I'm a nerd? I can't blame them. They probably don't get boogers like me. It's not fair. Why am I so ugly? Huh? What is that? Huh? A checklist to become a vampire? I need pale skin. But how? Huh. Maybe these seashells I got from the seashore can help me. I'll put all of them in this bowl. Then crush them all up until they turn into powder. That should be enough. It's perfect. Oops. Huh? I'm pale. Wow. Now let's put some color back on my face. None of those lame mermaid colors, please. Oh, how about some red? Maybe some black too? Thank you! Now let's get to painting. I'll take a little bit of red and draw some squiggly lines under my eyes. Next, I'll dip it into some black paint and paint it on my eyelids and my brows. Finally, add some gems to make it three-dimensional. Huh? Wow! Looking fierce. But my lips are still pale. There must be something I could use. No! Surely there's a lipstick in here somewhere. Huh? How did that get in there? Nope. Paper? No. This? No. Aw, a doll. Not today. What a bummer. Huh?
Hey, over here!
What?
Hands up!
Oh, is that for me? Thank you. First, I'll pop it in my mouth to get the colors. Oh. Then I'll swipe it across my lips. And voila! We've got a bloody red lip. What's more vampiric than that? Get off of me, you mean jellyfish! Somebody help! Oh my god! Maybe there's hope for my hair. They say aloe vera does wonders, even for electrified hair. I'll extract the juice out of this plant and brush it all over my hair. I'll go over it a couple of times until I brush out the tangles. Then I'll take some hair from the front and tie it at the back. That's what I call a killer hairstyle. Huh? How did you get in here? What the? Let go of me! Ow! Oh, slay! You look better on my head. I look like a vampire princess. Oh, wow! But I'm still missing some fangs. Oh, Mr. Beast, how can I be more like you? Stinky! I've got a simple solution to that. 2 chewing gums will do the trick. I look silly.
Hey there!
Hi, SpongeBob.
Is that your teeth?
You have it too. Hey, watch this. It's gum.
That's so. This is what you get for mocking me. Whoops! I made a huge mistake.
Wait a sec. I've got fangs now. Oh. This vampire life is fun. Oh, before we continue with the makeover, make sure you subscribe and like the video while you're at it. Great, thanks.
Yar!
Monster!
It's just me!
Oh, Sebastian.
Huh? You look different.
Do I? Oh, it's just makeup.
Great! I got you flowers.
Oh, thank you. Heavenly. Huh? But what's this? Huh?
What about the flowers?
I'd much rather have this. Uh-oh.
A third eye?
Hey, stop it! Knock it off!
Wow!
Oh, thank you.
Wow!
Ooh, whoops.
Shiver me timbers, the treasure chest!
Huh? Oh, thank you, thank you. Make sure you get my good angle. Oh, this crown, it's designer. It was just a dream? What happened? My crown! There you are. This outfit is not giving vampire. What am I gonna do? Time to go shopping. Retail therapy never hurt anybody. No! That looks lame. Where am I gonna get new clothes? Ouch! Oh, there's the chest from earlier. What treasures do they have in here? Wow! Jackpot! It is just like the one in my dream. Or should I say, it's my dream outfit? Oh, Oh, beautiful! But it's missing something. A bloody red necklace. Oh, I ate with this one. Let me put on some gloves. Don't want to get my hands dirty. I'll pull it over my left arm. And the right. Now I'm ready. I look terrifying. Oh no! My scales are all the wrong color. Good thing I can change it with a swipe of my hand. Perfect. Every detail of this outfit is simply amazing. Bow down, vampires. Your new queen has arrived, and she's thirsty for blood. Let's go!
And then I bit him.
Who is she?
Huh? Oh, me? I'm new in town. Rawr.
Whoa.
Anyone want to show me around?
Wow. Let's take a selfie. We can't hang out.
Hey, girls? What? What?
Another one? Where did you get your hair done?
Hey,
Hi.
look.
Is that picture of me? Whoa.
OMG. Wow.
Come, I'll teach you my ways.
What just happened? Oh, wait!
Hey,
Oh, are you talking to me?
how's it going? It was so fun talking to you last night.
Last night?
Hey,
Ugh, I should have known. See you at the party tonight? Of course, he likes the mermaid.
ouch!
Everybody does. Are you okay? I've had enough.
Bust those moves.
Yeah!
Hi there. Huh? You look like a snack. No way, I have to intervene. You can take your ugly boots back 6 feet under.
You all right? Here, this will help you out.
Seriously?
So pretty.
Thanks. I wish I were a mermaid. They have it so easy. Okay, focus. Huh? I can see myself. Strange. I wonder if this little guy has any answers. Ugh, so squishy. Ew, what's that? Must be some sort of weird sea goo. I know what to do with you. You'll make a good base for my sea makeup. First, I'll press this starfish onto the goo. Then, I'll stamp it on my face. Wow, that worked better than I thought. Let's do another one. Perfect. All right, now, on to more details. Let's fill the gap around my eyes with pink and white eyeshadow. And let's add a few more pizzazz here. And now for the lips. A simple pink shade will do. Now we're done. This look is sure going to make a splash. But wait! Mermaids have long hair! I'm off to harvest some long, luscious locks. Destination, the beach. Let's catch some mermaids. Ooh, nice weather! I'll be taking this, thank you very much. What on earth? My hair, give it back! Good catch. Huh? Don't they have combs down there? I'll pretend I didn't see that. Ooh, not bad. Finally caught up to you! Oh, there you are. I know just what you need. Braids. This handy gadget is the solution. I'll just put a few strands through it and it does all the work. We're living in 3024, people! Let's add some finishing touches. A few scaly friends will do the trickle. Oh no! I've got the wrong wardrobe for this. There's gotta be something. All black? No! I'm going for mermaid, not some deep sea creature. Ugh! Oh, jackpot. It's cool!
Told ya!
Nerd alert! A vampire mermaid hybrid? This will do.
What the?
Bye, nerds. Let's get to work. Cute top, but it needs an upgrade. I'll glue a couple of seashells on it. The Little Mermaid would love to wear this. Done. Wow! Huh? I've got too many legs. I've got it! I can't cut off my leg, but I sure can hide it! But first, I need to take these off. Bye! Now for the hard part. Squeezing into these pants. Anybody there? Almost there! Whew, but I can't relax yet. We don't want to get lost at sea now, do we? And for that, we need sparkles. Oh, that's it? I can work with that. I'll hide the lack of sequins with a few seashells. Wow. Now that's what I'm talking about. How do I look? You folks need a makeover. I hope you two get along. Because you're gonna glue together. Forever! And now I present to you my DIY mermaid fins. Wow, I'm almost set. Let's see if I'm missing anything. I knew it. I don't have any accessories. Let's go. Ahoy, beauties. Intruder, Somebody's going to steal your loot. It's her! Not so fast. Give it to me. A little help? I can't. I need to bust out these moves. You leave me no choice. Haha, victory! Wow! I'll show you real victory. Uh-oh. She ain't with me. Yeah, right. Don't mind if I do. Awesome. It's got everything in it. A tiara. A pearl necklace. And everything I need. I'm ready to go. But first, I gotta take a selfie. This phone case has seen better days. Don't worry, I'm on the case. Let's add a little color on it, shall we? I'll dab paint all over it using a sponge. We want to cover the whole thing. Remember, we want less doom and gloom. And more good vibes and high tides. Now that looks way better, doesn't it? Amazing. Okay, let's go.
Oh, there's a party tonight. Whoa!
This land's so dry. I need vitamin C. Care to lead me to the nearest beach?
Yeah, I'll take you there.
Cool, you're the best. Huh? Found ya! Uh-oh. You're coming with me.